Alright. Lights, camera, action. It is June 11th, 2026. I gotta remember that. I think I'd have more videos out by now. No, I don't. I'm procrastinating. We are under an enhanced risk of severe weather. And a hatched 5% tornado risk. If it's a 5% risk and it's but it's hatched, then I don't really understand why there's even a percentage there, but maybe I can find a video about that. It's coming. You can kind of see the clouds. It's hot out here. It's 84 right now. It was closer to 90 earlier. They're saying the hazardous gusts up to 75 miles an hour. I hope it calms down. I hope we have like a repeat of yesterday or something, but this is going to be at night. So I can't know if there's a tornado right there heading right towards me. I can't know that. I can't see. I'm going in. Uh-oh. It's getting close. Damaging tornado in Indiana area. New siren, by the way. Okay. T-tap. Didn't realize how loud we had that phone speaker. I don't know what's going on with my voice all of a sudden. Dang, something smells good. This is getting a little close. Still hazard of 70-mile-an-hour gusts here. Pussy, you don't know how to take a picture that close? That's sad. The sky looks constipated. It looks pissed off. You can't even see the blue sky. It's just clouds. But it's like behind the clouds, it's just a haze. I'll record out here for the brunt of it, and then I'll go inside when it starts raining. That's the plan. I don't know about that 70-mile-an-hour shit. I don't like that. Get off of me. There are tornado warnings, but I think they're gonna go north of us. So the tornado warnings, they were gonna pass north of us. Well, now there's another one coming down south closer to us. On Michigan Storm Chasers live stream, they're starting to talk about towns affected that are getting closer and closer to us, and I'm like, uh-oh. Oh no. It's breaking up a little bit, but look, I'm gonna have a brown pants moment. Code brown. There's fireflies. That's cool. They're out. I'm going in. It's scary. What was it? That first one sounded like a character. I don't know. Not the Cleveland one, but the... Balls! It's dark. It's getting dark now. See that darkness over there? There's already ambulances going. And that's a good sign. My sister Jessie sent a picture what it looks like right now. It's probably hit her by now, but it's probably hit them. It smells like freaking burnt hair out here. That's a really good sign. It smells like a perm. Somebody got a perm out here or something. How the fuck you keep turning when I'm trying to put you on? Tornado warning. Right frickin' there. That's the border. It's where it would be. There it is. They're going off. Yeah. Sounds like an alerter. That's weird. I don't want to play this game no more. This game sucks. Take the controller back. I don't even want to stand over here. Whoa. It's a bush. Fuck that. I don't want to do this. God almighty. Here comes the mom call. Is that grandma? Yeah. Yep, it's grandma. You know, you're... Calm down. Oh, now it's the other county. We have sirens here, and sirens here on 3 different counties. It's like a chorus. This feels like August 2023 again. They shut off early. God almighty. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Jesse, oh, okay, she texted. Your safe spot. I don't have a safe spot. The bathroom. But that's a freaking trailer. It's because we're in a booming economy where you can't afford things. For the past 5 years, that's why we're here. No basement. Well, I wanted to get out of the hood, so... The hood's following us, I guess, because someone stole our neighbor's stone rabbit. Where the hell are they? Oh, it got hotter. It got hotter out here. Where's Mom? I heard her talking. I can't see her. Oh.
Sweet.
Got the neighbor out here now.
He hates them a lot.
Yeah, yep. As I turned around, I missed one.
Oh, there's gonna be plenty behind us, looks like.
Yep. There's our neighbor. He's the one that had his stone rabbit stolen. They must have a collection of them because there's already a new rabbit there, unless they got it back somehow. There's some wind. It's up there a ways though. It's like 50 feet in the air. Shit, no. There's like streaks. You can see where the wall cloud is. He's in. I want to play this game. Steve from work. Where's that cowardly lion? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it's right there still, tornado warning. Hopefully it's gone south. I should probably check the group chat. Nope, he didn't say anything yet. Pretty solid. You see that yellow? I'm not gonna show that again, but because it looked like crap. But all of this is yellow on the velocity map. The red turns into yellow. That's messed up. Oh God. I hope to dear God I'm not hearing what I think I'm hearing. Are you gonna show where I'm at yet? Make sure this frickin' couplet's not coming after me. Or is it coming after me? Is it after me? Is it after me, man? That's nasty. Where is it? Where is it? Damn it. Just show it and stop playing 3 of 1 ads. That's bullcrap. I'll just show it already. Just show it already. Oh my god. I see it. I just clicked a picture and right after I clicked it, it flashed. But it was still a good picture. I'm gonna use it. You can see that. You can see the definition real well. Oh god. That makes me sick. I've changed a lot. Look how fast it is. The tornado thing has dropped, I guess. I don't like this. It's making me sick. There goes Dad. Athena, don't come outside. Oh, hell no. That's a plane. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want... Yeah, whale's mouth. Do you want to... This? Oh my god. I'm not gonna stop making noises. Because that's called fake. There's a plane. Yeah. That plane was dang near 45-degree angle. Oh, I can hear the sound over there behind it. Do you want to get in? You're stopping me from getting in. So, that's it. That's part of it. It's like up in the air about 30 feet. Dude. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, hell no. That started raining instantly. Oh, I was gonna look out there. Tina, Ma, can I look out there?
Yeah, sure.
I haven't seen it start raining that instantly before. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Fuck you. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I gotta put this towel here. Good luck, dude, coming down the street. Oh, you turned. He said no. The RSH-10s are going off again. I can't see shit. That's why I don't like filming out this, but this is the best we're gonna have to do. With the window right here, I'm not getting out to take that out. You're gonna celebrate?
Yeah.
Look at this water on my lens, man. You wanna get a towel for this? You want to get a towel for this? My voice is cracking. Because we have that one, and...
Well, that was uneventful.
quick burst of about 60-mile-an-hour winds, and it's done. I've never seen rain come that fast. County's going off again. Neighbors are running around and they're like, what? Uh-oh. Okay, thank you. I'm done filming out there anyway, that's good. Oh, it's like you're stopping me from going in. I'm not gonna close my dad out there.
That'd be fine. It'd be too wet.
You're like a freaking twig, though.
You call your dad a tweak?
Twig. A tweak.
Jump in the car.
County. They got the tornado warning first, and then they shrunk it, and then the sirens went off again. So you want to keep the joy going? It's pouring now. Happy, happy, joy, joy. It said, and it's over. The wind's still going. It's still going, but it's not crazily crazy. Woo! Huh. Now it's garden variety rain. I should probably be wearing sandals. Can't see shit anyway. You should have saw what I just saw. It said for like 5 seconds.
Wow.
Hi, Athena. How are you? You look like you're from Led Zeppelin 3. Not quite the black dog, you're the Bron-Y-Aur dog. Shit you. I ain't going outside still. It's still trying to blow at us a little bit. You'll hear him go. I hope Athena don't go outside. And I said it now, so. Where is she? I don't know. That's. Hopefully. I waited all day for that! Freaking orange rabbit. I have the clip of that and I'm gonna use it for something. Everything's saggy now. All the trees are weeping. They're probably like freaking soggy washcloths at this point. Okay, I'm gonna use this thing to go out in. It's the Ginger Snaps lid. And it still smells like ginger snaps. I'm gonna go out here. Ow. And I'm not gonna fall down the stairs and I'm not gonna leave the trailer. I don't have 2 hands. Shit. We're just gonna walk around. I don't know what the hell that was. It's still windy, kinda, but it's like maybe 25-mile-an-hour gusts. That's nothing right now. You can see it evaporating over there. That's kind of mystical. That's really cool. I wish it was lighter out so I could get a better picture of that. There's lots of leaves. Road's kind of flooded. A lot of these are yellow leaves. That's strange. It's weird. This spring was weird. Since it got hot and then cold and hot and cold, hot and cold, the leaves came out orange on some of these trees. They look normal now, but some of them were like a gold yellow, like it was fall. That was interesting. Everything's all soggy now. Everything's a weeping version of itself. I'm gonna go inside. I forgot what I was gonna say. We're close to 750 subscribers, so prepare for that compilation I'm gonna get. We just gotta get there first. What is going on with their curtains? Their curtains are panicking. Alright, I'm gonna go in. If I can find the doorknob. Alright, thanks for watching.